Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the ideal level of support going forward, we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price could stay up here above $2.37. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.37, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back, though, and looking at this from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 237 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls fully own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward. Several times today, the price tried to get up through that 247 mark and just couldn't quite do it. So while I'm not saying that it's impossible to break through that level, I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but then also be able to stay up above it. All in all, though, resistance levels matter, but they don't matter, because what really matters is what this chart has already started to do, and that is this right here. So as long as the price continues to chip away with those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that's the name of the game. And, just you sit back and everything else will take care of itself eventually, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on higher lows. Like I said, sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.